This is an ancient remedy, an invisible armor that helped history's most audacious thieves survive one of humanity's worst catastrophes, the Black Death. And no, this isn't a fairy tale or some mystical fantasy. Today we are talking about the legendary Four Thieves Vinegar. If you're the kind of person who starts sniffling the second winter arrives, if your immune system feels fragile, if you easily catch office colds, or if you're just sick and tired of relying on synthetic, fizzy vitamin C tablets, then this is the ultimate secret hack for you. In today's video, you will learn exactly why combining a fermented vinegar with 5 common kitchen herbs creates a powerful, naturally protective blend using properties that modern science is still studying today. We are going to decode this secret formula, compare it to modern remedies, and show you how to brew it right in your own kitchen. Welcome back to the Lost Apothecary. To truly understand the power of this vinegar, we have to travel back in time to 17th century France, specifically the city of Toulouse, or Marseille in some accounts. At the time, the plague was ravaging Europe. The scent of death hung over every street. Even doctors in full protective gear couldn't escape the grim reaper. Yet amidst this living hell, a gang of 4 thieves remained perfectly healthy. Night after night, they would sneak into the homes of the deceased, looting gold and jewelry without ever getting infected. When they were finally caught and facing the gallows, the judge offered them a deal. Surrender your secret to surviving the plague, and you will be granted a swifter death, or perhaps even a pardon. The thieves agreed. Their secret was shockingly simple. Before going out to ply their trade, they steeped powerfully aromatic herbs like garlic, rosemary, cloves, and sage in apple cider or wine vinegar. They would drink a small sip, then rub the concoction on their masks, hands, and temples. This blend became so legendary that it was officially recorded in the French Pharmacopoeia in 1748 as Vinaigre des Quatre Voleurs. Over the centuries, it evolved from a thieves' tool into the shield of the goddess, a botanical legacy passed down through generations to ward off illness. The ancients called it a miracle, but modern science calls it botanical synergy. Those 4 thieves might not have known what bacteria were, but their survival instinct led them to select some of the most potent antimicrobial herbs found in nature. Let's dissect the true power of 4 Thieves Vinegar through the lens of science. First, garlic, the pathogen destroyer. When you crush a clove of garlic and steep it in vinegar, you release allicin. Medical research proves allicin has a massive antimicrobial spectrum, helping to inhibit the growth of various bacteria and supporting the body's natural defenses against seasonal bugs. The garlic in this vinegar acts as a vanguard army, breaking down the cell walls of pathogens. Second, rosemary and sage, the natural lungs. In ancient texts, rosemary was known as the dew of the sea. Both of these leaves contain high levels of rosmarinic acid and camphor. When they enter the body, these compounds act as expectorants, reducing inflammation in the respiratory tract and stimulating blood flow. They provide strong antioxidant support, which is traditionally used to help soothe the respiratory tract. Third, cloves, the endogenous anesthetic. Cloves contain a massive amount of eugenol. If you've ever had a sore throat that felt like swallowing glass, eugenol is your savior. Not only does it help create an unfavorable environment for bacteria, but it also provides a mild numbing effect, instantly soothing raw red throats while preventing yeast overgrowth. Fourth, The base, raw apple cider vinegar. Why vinegar and not water? Raw apple cider vinegar, containing the mother, is rich in acetic acid. This acid is an excellent natural preservative and antimicrobial agent on its own. More importantly, vinegar acts as the perfect solvent. It extracts and preserves all the essential oils, alkaloids, and nutrients from the herbs at the highest level of bioavailability. Plus, it feeds your gut microbiome, which houses up to 70% of your body's entire immune system. Now, you might be asking yourself, why should I bother infusing vinegar when I can just run to the pharmacy and buy a cold pill or a fizzy vitamin C tablet? Let's put them on the apothecary's scale. Four Thieves Vinegar versus synthetic cold medicine. When you catch a cold, Western medicine often focuses on suppressing the symptoms, drying up nasal drip, providing temporary headache relief. It tricks your brain into thinking you're better. Four Thieves Vinegar, however, takes a holistic route. It doesn't suppress symptoms. It provides beneficial compounds, allicin, eugenol, that help support and nourish your immune system naturally, while nourishing your gut with probiotics. While over-the-counter medicines are great for quick symptom relief, traditional herbal remedies focus on holistic, long-term immune support. Artisan Four Thieves versus store-bought infusions. Many garlic chili vinegars at the supermarket are made from refined industrial white vinegar that has been boiled for pasteurization. That heating process kills all the enzymes and probiotics. A true Four Thieves vinegar must be cold infused using raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar and left in a dark cupboard for 3 to 4 weeks. Patience creates a level of quality that industrial machinery simply cannot force. So, how do you bring this medieval weapon into your modern life? Who is this for? This botanical remedy is for weary souls, for those whose immune systems are exhausted from prolonged stress, and for those who are always the first casualties in the office when flu season hits. It is also the perfect secret weapon for anyone looking to naturally detoxify their body and improve their digestion. The Four Thieves Vinegar Recipe. Ingredients: 2 to 3 cloves of fresh garlic, crushed, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, a small handful of fresh sage, 1 teaspoon of whole cloves, 250 to 300 milliliters raw apple cider vinegar with the mother to fill the jar. Instructions: place all herbs into a clean, sterilized glass jar. Pour the raw apple cider vinegar over the herbs until they are completely submerged. Seal tightly. Use a plastic lid or place parchment paper under a metal lid to prevent rusting. Store in a cool, dark cupboard for 3 to 4 weeks, shaking gently every few days. Strain the liquid and store the infused vinegar in the fridge. How to use it? Never drink it straight. The acidity can damage your tooth enamel. The perfect ritual is daily prevention. Mix 1 tablespoon, about 15 milliliters, of Four Thieves vinegar into a large glass of warm water. Add a spoonful of raw honey to create an oxymel. This balances the harsh acidity and soothes the throat. Drink it in the morning, 20 minutes before breakfast. When you feel sickness coming on, dilute and drink this mixture 2 to 3 times a day. Culinary magic. You can absolutely use the raw infused vinegar as an incredibly delicious, flavor-packed salad dressing. Warnings and contraindications. Even with natural herbs, we must respect their boundaries. First, if you suffer from chronic stomach ulcers or severe acid reflux, GRD, please consult your doctor before starting any vinegar-based therapies. Second, Pregnant women should avoid taking large doses, as highly concentrated herbs like sage and rosemary can stimulate uterine contractions. Always listen to your body. From the foggy, death-filled streets of the 14th century to the warmth and safety of your modern kitchen today, Four Thieves Vinegar is the most vivid proof of the enduring vitality of botanical wisdom. You don't need to be an alchemist to protect your health and your family. Nature has already provided the weapons. Our only job is to learn how to wield them. Have you ever made your own herbal vinegar or infused honey at home? What is your favorite natural shield when winter arrives? Share your thoughts with me and the community in the comments below. If you found value in this knowledge, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next page from our botanical library. Let ancient wisdom heal your modern life. Until next time.